Q10 Plus, known from skincare for being a must-have anti-aging ingredient to revitalize skin cells, is added to Schwarzkopf formulations to stimulate the hair bulb, supporting the production of keratin to help rejuvenate hair. Improves hair strength and elasticity. Improves manageability. Country of origin is Germany. A gently cleansing micellar shampoo for mature hair. Formulated with sugar tensides to very gently cleanse hair, cationic polymers deeply nourish the inner structure and smooth the surface of each strand while unruly hair is tamed, to feel soft and look shiny for longer. Directions. Apply to wet hair. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with next steps of the appropriate BC BONACURE care regimen. Suitable for daily use. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for mature hair. I love the way this makes my hair feel and I am seeing less hair loss.